drum with the dancing beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat you wear on the street. I is for igloo made of snow. J is for jelly that wobbles slow. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a loud roar cry. M is for moon that shines at night. N is for nest tucked out of sight. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin waddling around. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for robot dancing around. S is for sun shining bright. T is for train going out of sight. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin playing a refrain. W is for whale in the sea. X is for xylophone, sing with me.